Today I'll be making pandan cake again. This is my third attempt. If I fail again, I'm gonna give up, seriously. So I'll be using vegetable oil, sugar, salt, baking powder, pandan, coconut milk, 4 egg yolks, 4 egg whites, cake flour. Yeah, basically these are the ingredients. I've added in 40 grams of sugar to the 4 egg yolks, and then let's give it a good stir. So you have to make sure that the sugar dissolves into this egg yolk. Next, you have to add in salt. I've added in oil. I use 48 grams of oil. Everything evenly stir. 30 grams of pandan water. Alright, and then it will be 40 grams of coconut milk. Right next, a teaspoon of baking powder. Put in 100 grams of cake flour and let's stir it. I've added in 40 grams of sugar into the egg white while whisking. Slowly transferring bit by bit over to this pandan mixing. My final product. It looks legit, it looks fine, and I hope after baking it will be good. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna pour into this baking pan. Oh my god, look at this! Yes! I finally succeeded on my pandan cake. But this is not the end. I'm gonna try it after I cool it. Oh, look at this, so fluffy! On top of this cake, I have also baked muffin with the remaining of the ingredients because I did not want to keep it anymore. Yeah, so this is my muffin. It looks good too. So does the cake. Is it a pass? Good? The cake is really good. It's very soft. Wow! I'm really happy because it's a success finally.